Hello children, today I will start exercise 2.4 page number 31 of linear equation in one variable chapter. Here you see the first question in your book. First question is Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? So first of all, we will assume the required number. Let the required number be x. Then according to the question, here in the question you can see the first sentence, Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. Means here you can see I have subtracted 5 by 2 from x. Now she multiplies the result by 8. So here you can see I have done 8 into x minus 5 by 2. And after this you see the next sentence of your question. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number. This is the obtained result, and it is 3 times of the same number she thought of. You have seen this sentence in the question. So here you will 3 times of x you will do. Now your equation is 8 multiply x minus 5 by 2 is equals to 3x. Now we will solve the equation. 8 multiply x, 8x minus 8 into 5 upon 2 is equals to 3x, and 8 into 5 by 2 we will simplify. 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8. Now 4 into 5, what came? 20. Now the next step of the equation will be 8x minus 20 is equals to 3x. Here minus 20 we will transpose to right hand side, and plus 3x we will transpose to left hand side. Then our equation will be 8x minus 3x is equals to 20. And 8x minus 3x, what? 5x. And 5x is equals to 20. And after that x is equals to 20, you will divide by 5 because you will transpose 5 from left hand side to right hand side, and then you will reduce it. 5 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20. What is coming? 4. Hence the required number is 4. Now you see the question number 2 in your book. Question 2 is a positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? Here first we will assume one number. Let the one number be x. Okay. Then the other number is equals to 5x, because in the first sentence only it is told that the positive number is 5 times another number. So this number is 5 times of this number. So here you will write 5x. For other number you will write 5x. Now see the second sentence in your book. If 21 is added to both the number, means here x plus 21 and here 5x plus 21. If you do according to the question, okay, then x plus 21 and 5x plus 21, then one of the new number becomes twice the other number. If you do x plus 21 and 5x plus 21, then you will get two new numbers, and then it is told in the question that one of the new number becomes twice the other number. So your equation will be 5x plus 21 is equals to 2 times of x plus 21. Now you see how you will solve the equation. 5x plus 21 is equals to 2. 2 you are multiplying with x plus 21. You can see it in the bracket. Now 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 21, 42. Now what we have to do? We have to transpose the numbers. Here 2x is with variable, so you will transpose it to left hand side, and plus 21 is a constant number, so you will transpose it to right hand side. Now 5x minus 2x is equals to 3x, and here 42 minus 21, 21. Now 3 we will transpose to right hand side. It is in multiplication. This side you will write in division, and after simplifying it you will get 7. 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja 21. Here you have got the value of x, means you have got the one number, value of one number. Here the record numbers are x is equals to 7, and for the other number what you have to do, you will put the value of x in 5x, then 5x is equals to 5 into 7 is equals to 35. Now see the question number 3. Question number 3 is sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? In this 2-digit number, we don't know what is at ones place and which digit is at tens place. So first we will assume digit of units place, or you can say digit of ones place. So here let units place digit be x, and for tens digit place digit, what we will do? We will subtract this x from 9. You know why from 9? Because 9 is the sum of both the digits of 2-digit number. Now we will find out original number. For original number, we will multiply the digit of ones place by 1 and digit of tens place by 10. So here you can see x you will multiply by 1 and 10 you will multiply with 9 minus x, and after solving this step we will get 90 minus 10x plus x, and when you simplify it more you will get 90 minus 9x. And now for new number we will interchange the digits, means for new number digit of units place we will take at tens place and digit of tens place we will take at units place. So see what you have to do. You will multiply x with 10 because you have taken it at tens place, and 9 minus x which was at tens place, now you have taken it at ones place. So you will multiply it with 1. So you will get only 9 minus x. Now new number will be 10x plus 9 minus x. Now according to the question, new number is equals to original number plus 27. In your book you can see this thing again. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. So according to the question, new number is equals to original number plus 27. Now in place of new number we will write 10x plus 9 minus x, and for original number you will write 90 minus 9x plus 27. Now we will simplify it more. 10x minus x we will get 9x, and this minus 9x we will transpose from right hand side to left hand side, and then we will get plus 9x. And plus 9 we will transpose from left hand side to right hand side, and plus 9 will be minus 9. Now we will simplify this step. 9x plus 9x we will get 18x, and on right hand side 90 plus 27 we get 117. From 117 we subtract 9, we get 108. And now in the next step we see that 18x is equals to 108, and after transposing 18 to right hand side we will get 6 after reducing 108 upon 80. So value of x is 6. X is the digit which is at ones place, and we want to find out here 2-digit number. So if we know here unit place digit, then tens place digit we can find out. So for tens place digit, we will put the value of this x in 9 minus x, and after putting x in 9 minus x, after putting value of x in 9 minus x, we get 9 minus x, 9 minus 6, and 9 minus 6 is equals to. Now students, you can calculate 2-digit number. To calculate 2-digit number, you will put the value of this x in the original number. Here original number is 90 minus 9x. Now after putting the value of this x in 90 minus 9x, we will get 90 minus 9 into 6, and 90 minus 9 6 is 54, and 90 minus 54 is equals to 36. And here we can see the sum of both the digits is 9. And here also you can see that unit place digit is coming 6, and for tens place digit, what you have done here, 9 minus x you have done according to this. Here tens place digit 9 minus x, and here you have put 9 minus 6 is equals to 3, and like this also you can see your unit place digit is 6 and tens place digit is 3. Now see the question number 4. Question number 4 is, one of the two digits of a 2-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of this 2-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? Now see the solution. Here also we are talking about 2-digit number, and we do not know what is at ones place and what is at tens place. But it is clear from the question that one of the two digits of a 2-digit number is 3 times the other digit. So 3 times the other digit, it means first we will assume the ones digit. Let ones digit be x, then tens digit according to the question is 3 times of ones digit. So tens digit will be 3x. For original number, what we have to do? Now I think it is clear. Just now you have solved question number 3. For original number, digit of ones place you will multiply by 1, and digit of tens place you will multiply by 10. So x is at ones place, so if you multiply this x by 1, you get x only, and this 3x is at tens place, so if you multiply this 3x by 10, then you get 10 into 3x. Now we will simplify it. 10 into 3x, what? 30x. Here plus x. 30x plus x, what? 31x. Now number obtained by reversing the digit. For new number or for resulting number, what we have to do? We will interchange the digits, just like third question. So digit of ones place we will take as digit of tens place, and digit of tens place we will take as digit of ones place. So see what will happen here. Here x now we have taken at tens place, and 3x we have taken at ones place. So 3x we will multiply by 1, so 3x will come only, and as x we have taken at tens place, so we will multiply this x by 10, so 10 into x will come, then 10 into x plus 3x, so what will come here? 13x. Now see the question once again. Here, if you interchange the digits of this 2-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number. Here, resulting number is 13x and original number is 31x. So, you get 88. So, now it is given that sum of the original number and reverse number is 88. It is given in the question. So, your equation will be 31x plus 13x is equals to 88. Now 31x plus 13x we will add, so we will get here 44x, and on right hand side we will get 88. Now 44 we will transpose to right hand side, so it will come in division. X is equals to 88 by 44 is equals to 2. Now you can see you have got units place digit, and it is 2. So tens place digit we can find out. If ones place digit is x and it is coming 2. It is coming 2. So for tens place, what we will do? We will put the value of x in 3x. So after putting value of x in 3x, what we will get? 3 into 2 is equals to 6. So number, 2-digit number will be 62. Because here 6 we are getting at tens place, and 2 we are getting at ones place. So the number will be 62. Now see the question number 5. Shoboz's mother's present age is 6 times Shoboz's present age. Shoboz's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? Here you can see that Shoboz's mother's present age is 6 times Shoboz's present age. Do you know here Shoboz's present age? You don't know. So first of all you will assume that the present age of Shobo be x years. After that you can tell Shoboz's mother's present age. So Shoboz's mother's present age is 6 times Shoboz's present age. So you will multiply this x by 6. Then Shoboz's mother's present age will be 6x years. And after 5 years, what happens? Shoboz's age is equals to x plus 5 years. We will add 5 to the present age of Shobo. Then we will get Shoboz's age after 5 years. Now see the question once again. Shoboz's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. 1/3 of his mother's present age means, according to the question, x plus 5 is equals to 1/3 of 6x. 1/3 of Shoboz's mother's present age. Now your equation is x plus 5 is equals to 1/3 into 6x. Now you will solve the equation. This 3 is in division. We will transpose it to left hand side. Then it will be 3 into x plus 5 is equals to 6x. Now 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15 is equals to cx. You have now plus 6x we will transpose from right hand side to left hand side. Plus 6x will be minus 6x. And plus 15 we will transpose from left hand side to right hand side. And then plus 15 will be minus 15. Now the equation is 3x minus 6x is equals to minus 15. In the next step, if we subtract 3x minus 6x, then we get minus 3x, and on right hand side we will write minus 15. And now we can see minus 3 is in multiplication with this x. So we will transpose this minus 3 to right hand side. So x is equals to minus 15 upon minus 3. And when we simplify it, here 3 5s are 15. 5 will come. Now what is your question asking? Question is asking that what are their present age. So for their present ages, what we will do? For present age of Shobo, we will put the value of x here. So we will get 5. Already we have calculated here 5 years Shobho's age. And for present age of Shobho's mother, what we will do? We will put the value in 6x, and when we put value of x in 6x, we get 6 into 5. And 6 into 5 is equals to 30 years. Like this we can calculate present age of Shobho and present age of Shobho's mother. Students, today you will solve question 1 to 5 in your copy, and after question 5 I will explain the questions in the next video. Good.